Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome to ensure you're using the latest version with all the latest features and security enhancements. So, let's get started. In the upper right corner of the browser, click on three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Help. Then in the Help sub-menu, click on About Google Chrome. On the About page, Chrome will automatically check for updates and display your current version of Chrome. If there is an update available, Chrome will begin downloading and installing it automatically. You may need to wait a few moments for the update to complete. If you already have the latest version of Chrome, you'll see a message stating Google Chrome is up to date along with your current version number. It's important to regularly update Chrome to ensure you have the latest security patches and improvements. Keeping your browser up to date helps protect you from potential vulnerabilities and ensures you have access to the latest features and optimizations. And that's it! You successfully checked for an updated Google Chrome to the latest version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.